Hi friends, welcome to TechiesBadi. In this video, we'll see how to kill server process when seeing EADDRINUSE in use, address already in use error. I am trying to run my Node.js application. I got the EADDRINUSE in use error. We can resolve it in two steps. First, open your command prompt. Maybe you may need to run it an administrator. Run the below command. Replace port with port number. In my case, port number is 4400 and hit enter. These are the processing identifiers, nothing but PID. Next, run the following command. Here, replace PID with 854488. This is my processing ID. Lastly, you can check whether the operation is succeeded or not by rerunning the command in the step 1. If it was successful, you shouldn't see any more such results for that port number. Now run your application. It will start running on the port 4400. Please find the below description for the command. For more technical videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.